version of me is DOOGEE V20, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off app notifications from apps of your choosing on this device. First of all, go into Settings. Now you need to scroll down and tap on Apps and Notifications. Then choose Notifications over here and tap on See All from last 7 days. Then you can click on Most Recent over here and click on one of those options: Most Recent, Most Frequent, or Turned Off. I will go with Most Frequent. Then click on the Twitter next to an app from which you want to disable notifications, like Gmail. As you can see, all notifications from Gmail are now off. If you're to turn them back on, just click on the same switcher. But you can also just tap on one of your apps over here and manage all notifications from here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!